In an ultra, your heart rarely fails first. Your legs physically disintegrate before your engine ever quits. Marathons are metabolic events. You fail when fuel runs out. Ultras are structural events. You fail when impact forces destroy muscle fibers. We call this durability, and it is chemically distinct from aerobic fitness. You can have a VO2 max of 70 and still DNF at mile 40 if your tissues cannot absorb 50,000 steps of eccentric shock. This is why your 20-mile road splits are useless on technical trails. Chasing distance forces you to run too fast on easier terrain to hit the number, increasing injury risk. Instead, we switch to time on feet, TOF. However, simply running longer is dangerous without a governor. The safest protocol is the Sawtooth Progression. Add 10 to 15 minutes to your long run every week for 2 weeks, then cut volume by 30% on the third week. This consolidation week allows collagen synthesis in tendons to catch up to muscle growth. Don't just jog these hours. Rotate through 3 specific stimuli. First, the steady long run for pure aerobic base. Second, the Hilly Kinetic run, where you walk ups and hammer downs to build eccentric armor. Finally, the fast finish, strictly for advanced athletes, where the last 30 minutes are at tempo effort to simulate race day fatigue. Here is how this fits a 6-hour training week for a first 50K. Notice we do not use back-to-back long runs yet. That is a high-risk strategy for veterans. We prioritize a midweek semi-long run to maintain volume without single-session destruction. The goal isn't to run the full distance in training. It is to maximize your decoupling ratio, keeping your heart rate steady while pace remains constant over time. When your cardiac drift stays under 5% after 3 hours, you are ready for the start line. Build the chassis first, then upgrade the engine.